Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to remove silence in your talking in CapCut on mobile. So first of all we're going to go into the CapCut application, make sure we're logged in, and we have Pro mode purchased, or you can watch our video on cheaper alternative versions. So first of all we're going to go into auto captions right there and just choose the video we want to edit. Choose this one for example, press add. Then it's going to ask us to generate from spoken language, templates, and advanced options. We're going to go into advanced options and just select identify filler words. Then we're just going to press generate, wait for it to load. And then once it's done loading, you can see we have filler words, pauses, and they're automatically selected to be removed. Then you're just gonna press delete two clips, but unfortunately you do have to have a pro version of CapCut for this. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.